well-seasoned skillet potatoes, smoked sausage, crispy bacon, and so much more. Guess what? I'm about to show you how it's done. I got a recipe for you, so let's get started. So here are the ingredients that we will be working with. This is a nice and simple recipe, not too much to it at all. So let's go ahead and get this prep work out the way. So you're gonna begin by slicing up your red bell pepper, just like so. Go ahead and get that out the way. And let me tell you something about these skillet potatoes right here, okay? Not only for breakfast, I had this for brunch, lunch, dinner, it don't even matter, late night snack. This is perfect for any time on the clock. I'm trying to let you know you can't go wrong, you know what I mean? Like I said, you got your potatoes, you got your onion, you got your smoked sausage, you got your bacon, so much goodness in there. Like I said, I can't put a limit on the clock when it comes to this one right here. Any time of the day, hand me a plate and I'm gonna throw down, believe me. So like I said, get all this out the way, cut up your onion, whatnot. Moving on to the potato, go ahead and peel that bad boy up. I'm using about 3 of them. You're gonna peel your potatoes, slice them up, and I have a bowl of water that I'm gonna kind of wash off all the starch on the potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then dry them off on a napkin as we move on to the rest of the prep work. Moving on, go ahead and grab your favorite smoked sausage and slice it up just like so. All right, go ahead and do that. Once that's all said and done, you're gonna move on to the bacon. Just to make life easier, we're gonna go ahead and chop up that bacon right here and now. And you may ask, Jay, how much bacon should I use? And the answer is yes. I know you've seen that meme before. That means use as much bacon as you possibly can or as you possibly want, man. I never heard of too much bacon. That's something I never heard in my life. So go crazy, go ham. Get your bacon in that skillet after it's all chopped up. Get it nice and crispy. Once it's all beautiful, go ahead and remove it from the pan and add in that sausage, all right? Add in that sausage right on top of that bacon fat and let it do its thing. Get it nice and beautiful, just like our bacon was looking, all right? So I got my sausage removed from the pan at this point, and I'm gonna toss in about 2 tablespoons of some unsalted butter. All right, once that butter is melted down, go ahead and put in your potatoes. And you know we gotta season up these potatoes oh so proper. So on the screen I have a list of everything that we use to do so. All right, so go ahead and get all of those seasonings in the pan, all right? And do not skimp out, use all of it. All right, go ahead and give it a nice little toss, get everything incorporated, get all the flavors talking to one another. All right, so once that's all said and done, you're gonna go ahead and top it off and just let it do its thing periodically. Take that top off, stir a little bit, know what I mean, put the top back on, you know what I mean? You want these potatoes to be, you know, fork tender. You want to stick a fork in it and it should be nice and tender, all right? You can pre-cook your potatoes to make this easier. You can boil them, you can microwave them. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna judge, but me, I cooked everything right on this skillet. It's a little bit more work this way, but ain't no big deal. We got through it, all right? So at some point, you wanna go ahead and add in your onions, and your red bell peppers. All right, probably at this point, you know, when you see your potatoes starting to do their thing a little bit, they starting to get a little bit, you know, they're a little bit almost there. Go ahead and toss in your red bell pepper, your onion, get that in there, give it a nice stir, and then you're gonna top it off again. Let it do its thing and periodically keep checking. And when your potatoes are almost done, and when I mean almost done, then you're gonna add in your sausage, then you're gonna add in that bacon, then you're gonna give it a nice stir so they can communicate with one another like, hey, hello, how you doing? All right, let it do that, and we're just about done at this point. And a couple tips: if you see your pan start to dry up a little bit too quickly or whatnot, you can go ahead and add in a little bit more unsalted butter. Do not be scared. And another tip, taste as you go, guys. Do not be scared to add a little bit more salt or pepper if you feel like it needs it. You know what I mean? So we are about to plate up. Go ahead and just grab your nicest china and dump this right on there. Now, I mean, grab yourself some fresh parsley to garnish this bad boy just like so, and it's a wrap. It's done. It's finito. You about ready to dig in. All right, this is so good right here. Look at this plate. You got so many flavors going on. All right, so many, and they all come together like a beautiful melody, like a beautiful song. It's just singing to me at this point. You know what I mean? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You're gonna love it. Like I said, any time of the day. Forget breakfast, man. Give me this for dinner, baby. Okay. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Not too bad. It's amazing. All right. It is amazing and very easy to get done. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I will see you on the next video. Deuces. And if you haven't already, subscribe to your boy, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think, and you know you gotta leave a like for your boy as well. Come on now, I'm out.